Hey, Leo Drager here. I want to talk with you about an awesome tool called Snow. It's basically a white space steganography tool, and a lot of people don't know how to use it or manipulate it or get it to work. So I want to take all of that mystery away from you. Basically, what we need to start with here is a carrier file and then the Snow program. Now, I've already copied this node program to the system32 directory, so I can run it basically from the command prompt wherever I want. So first I'll walk you through with checking that so that you can actually see it. So I'm going to do a directory for the C:\Windows system 32 SNO asterisk, and you can see I have snow.doc and then the executable. And so if I just type snow at the command prompt now, it'll actually run, or in this case, this is it actually running. I just didn't give any parameters, so it'll pause. Okay. So what we're going to need is a carrier file here. So let's go ahead and do a notepad, snow.txt. Okay. Let's say, do you want to create this file, and we can put, tis the season to be jolly. Okay, just a message inside here just to prove that there's something in here. Now I'm going to do a Control S to save and an Alt F4 to close it, and then I'll go back to the command prompt and I just want to see that the contents were actually stored in there. So we'll do a type snow.txt, and it says tis the season to be jolly. All right, so we know the file is created. Next thing we're going to do is actually run the snow command, and I'll build this for you. So if you do a snow, basically -C to create this carrier file or this steganography file, we're going to put a message, a hidden message, and we're going to make this message, this is the hidden message that cannot be found. Okay. And then we're going to put a password on this file for extracting purposes. So we're going to call this password. We could have thought of something a little more creative, but nonetheless, it's just arbitrary information here. So, and then the name of the file that we want to use is the original file. In this case, snow.txt, and we're going to give it a new destination for the stagode file, which is snow2.txt. You could realistically name it anything you want. It'll work just fine. So just to distinguish, snow.txt is the original file that we created that has some information that effectively is going to be copied to snow2 along with the hidden message that will be embedded within snow2.txt. So we basically have a source and a destination, or snow, which is the carrier file, and then snow2, which is the stagode file. And we'll go ahead and hit enter here, and it'll say compressed by 43.88%, message exceeded available space by approximately 1,000%, an extra 7 lines were added to the file. So let's go see what's in Snow2. So let's do a type snow2.txt, and it says tis the season to be jolly, which is the same exact information that we actually had in the original carrier file. But if we go ahead and try to extract the hidden message from this file, I'm going to clear the screen just to make this a little more easier for viewing. Let's do snow -C, our password -P, password, and then snow2.txt. Okay, now you can see this is the message that cannot be found. That's actually the hidden message that we embedded into that stagode file. So only with the correct password can I retrieve that message. And let's prove that. Let's do a different password here, and it'll say a whole bunch of encrypted information. Now what is important to realize here is when you get this output, it's kind of a dead giveaway that the file has been encrypted in some way, because we're just getting a bunch of random text out of here, and it differs each time that we change the password. So I'm just adding additional characters just to show you how I keep the ciphertext keeps changing here. So just the fact that I get ciphertext, that tells me that this is a steganographic file. It's just a quick check to say, let's try to evaluate the file and just see if there's anything in it or not. Just try an arbitrary password, and the fact that you get random text, that is generally a dead giveaway that a file has been stegoed. So that's combining two things here. One, the pen tester trying to go in and hide stuff, and then two, what the forensics analyst will actually go through and do a quick sanity check to see if the file has in fact been stegoed or not. So hope you enjoyed the lab. Don't forget to check out all the videos on cyber area IT. And if you haven't figured it out by now, you have to like the videos, share them, make connections, and enjoy yourself. So I trust that you all have figured out the website by now. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon.